What's up, guys? What was that? You know what? That was not funny.
OG
Okay, so we are.
That's not an OG bag.
Okay, so today we will be playing Animal Company.
I was talking.
Yippee! I'm sorry.
Okay, yeah.
OG bag, OG bag, OG bag.
Kill him.
Yeah.
Kill him.
Fine.
Okay, so yeah, we're
Do you
gonna
like
play
my OG bag though?
Animal
It's
Company.
really great.
As you can see, I know how to put my colors in that.
Fine.
So they'll be teaching me how to play. Yippee!
Go and get a backpack, dude. I'll get you a bag. I'll get you a bag.
Nope, I already have a
There's
backpack.
already a bag over there.
Oh, you
I
already
just
have a
threw
backpack?
it.
No, you don't, dude. You do not have a backpack.
Yes, he did.
I
but he
just
threw
threw
it.
it.
What? What just happened?
He killed himself. Oh, it's an OG mining tool.
That's not an OG mine. You stepped on a landmine.
Yeah, you stepped on a landmine.
Can we see can we visit Ogie Boy? Can we visit Ogie Boy?
Alright, hold on. Let me just get a backpack. I need backpack. Can you get a
OG boy
backpack?
smells. His
Guys,
armpits.
Can you give me a
Let's
backpack?
just go. Let's go down to where the skibby
Can I get a
critters are.
backpack?
I'll give you a backpack, even though I'm really broke. That's why we need to go mining. Here's a backpack. Oh,
He took
guys,
it.
now without
Take
yapping too much, let's go.
Alright, let's go.
Someone needs to bring a light, though. Someone needs to bring a
Yeah.
light.
I'll bring
Preston-
a light. I'll bring a light.
Preston brings the
And a
light.
tiny bag.
Why are you bringing a tiny bag? Why are you bringing the e-girl
I'm
bag?
bringing the e-girl bag. Let's go,
Get
guys.
out!
Guys, you go first. I got the flashlight.
He's getting flashlights. We just have to go,
Oh,
okay?
F-33. Okay.
Yeah, I'm getting flashlights.
He'll
Guess
be
we're
down
going
in a second.
mining.
He'll be down in a second. Even though it's really dark in there, that's why we need flashlights.
What is that noise?
Oh, that's just the power generator.
I don't like this. What if I see
I know,
something
it is.
terrifying?
Guys,
wait for me at the entrance.
Okay.
Just don't.
Could never. I'll take his guns. Keep it safe for him.
You take this. Take that.
Okay.
I got the flashlight.
me a free roll.
Yeah, he just killed you.
Revolver's over here.
Yeah, he has your revolver.
Let out of my revolver. You guys owe me a new revolver.
No, he has it alive. He put it in a backpack.
Give me back.
It's in there.
I have a gun.
Bruh. It's so funny.
Don't kill the guy that's trying to teach me. Now, how do I load this?
You owe me a couple revolver bullets.
You just put something on it and shoot it. Yeah, like that. See?
Hey
Like
guys,
that.
why do you guys keep shooting my revolver?
Here. The revolver's in there.
Man, I died. I'm gonna get a gun. I'm gonna get a gun so I can point at his fam. So I can point at his head. That's even worse.
Lose the flashlight. Preston! Sorry. Let's just
Rest
do
in
it already.
peace. Go squeeze.
Let's just do
Alright,
it
come on.
already. We're wasting the video footage.
No, you're wasting our time, Preston.
Let's go. Why do you even have a revolver?
After a while of going down there and playing, I have upgraded. As you can see, I'm better now. But we are still gonna play. So let's continue mining. So I got in a little better at this game. Offset mining. and got a backpack in that. This backpack
Oh,
I
I'm
just found
sure
the
we're
floor in a
basic then.
random lobby. As you can see, look. 27933. Alright, now come on guys, let's go mining. Alright.
I'm maxed out on my research.
Landmine. Yeah, I got a
Bruh.
landmine. No one grab my
Killed
stuff.
himself.
Make sure no one grabs my
You just
stuff.
stepped on a
Make sure no one grabs my stuff.
landmine. Yeah, I'm not. I'm protecting your stuff. I said, look. Oh, shit, I'm over your light.
I hate using that.
Okay, where are we going?
You'll see. Bo!
Where are we even going?
Did bro just die again, really? Oh, that's where I lost my flashlight.
Where are we even going?
Where's my
I
stuff?
do
Where
not
did
know.
it go?
We're just mining.
Where did my stuff go?
We're going
I
to
do not know.
Haunted Mansion. Guys, you know where to get those Haunted Mansion those
Where'd my
paintings?
stuff go?
It's in Haunted Mansion.
There's my big flashlight. Ah! Hold on. I have an idea. Yo, you guys want to see something
I
cool?
know, but in
Wanna
Haunted
see something
Mansion
cool?
you can get multiple.
Want to see something cool?
I do.
Alright.
How many shotguns
What
do
did you
I
guys
have?
say?
Want to see something cool?
That hurts my eyes, dude.
I know
I
you're
have
mine.
so many.
Except I'm using this
amount of
backpack now.
shotguns. Guys, I have so many shotguns.
We'll take this. There.
Here's
Yeah,
my
sure,
last
that's the
shotgun.
one.
Yippee. Guys, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shotguns. And that's
I'll
not
keep that
including
there.
the shotguns that I
And
lost.
just in case. Alright, now let me get out my flashlight. Alright, now let's...
Guys, do
Ah! Alright, give me it, brother. I said, give me. Alright, let's go. Where are you?
I'm in the entrance to...
Mines. Oh, we're going towards mines.
Okay.
Alright.
Where are we even going to find that new monster? To find the
using
new
a
rock
crowbar.
monster?
Oh, to find
Are we
the new
going to
baby.
find the new rock monster?
No.
Guys, we're just gonna stay in the front. Oh my god, they changed it again.
They change it every day.
They do?
Yeah, they change the game every day. I'll grab the big ones.
Okay. I have a couple big ones in my back right now.
Grab that big one. Where's your weapon?
Experience!
Big one.
Alright, we got
Guys,
some stuff
don't
over there.
Hey, don't get the small pieces, okay?
Don't
Yeah,
get
they're-
the small ones,
They're
guys.
worth nothing.
Well, we're just grabbing them.
Cause I
To get
think
money.
we're
Well, they are
lost.
worth, but not that much.
Guys, I think we're lost.
Alright. Nope, I know my way. I have good memory on VR.
Oh my God, Jesus. Spider's here.
Should I be scared? It just got.
I just hit it.
Guys, I went to my menu, I got so scared.
Bro, I got so scared. He's trying to go after me.
I killed him. He's holding his body. It's holding his body. Yo, can you put him in a bag? Oh, you can't. Can't put bodies in a bag.
The spider scared him so much, he just went like, Bluetooth disconnected. Wait, there was something that he dropped. Hold on, let me store that for him.
Did he die?
Yeah, he died.
Oh yeah, he did. He did die.
Why do I?
Come back and I'll bring a shotgun with you.
He died, bro.
Hold up.
He died. I'll put his stuff in my bag.
I already got his crowbar.
Okay, my bag's only almost full. But you're not done.
Hold on, let's wait for it. Where are you at? Come on, let's go back.
I'm back at spawn.
Alright, we're gonna go get you.
Yeah, let's go get him.
Over here.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring a shotgun.
I think we just went the wrong way, bro. Hello?
Where are you at? We can't see you.
I see you guys.
Where are you?
I already passed.
Oh, there you are.
Where did he go?
I'm gonna go throw out my stuff so I have more space in my bag.
Yeah, me too.
I'm gonna go sell it so we have more money.
Wait, I have nothing in my bag. Except your crowbar. I have your crowbar in my backpack.
Yeah, okay. It's fine, I bought a new one. Get out of it.
Ooh, not stepping on that
much
line,
stuff
man,
did you
for the
get? How many-
second time.
I've got a lot of videos,
I added your stuff into my bag. What?
Oh, okay.
Ooh, yeah, the box.
Yeah, open the
right there.
box.
Do they sell for a lot? I think boxes sell for a bit.
Alright,
Oh, so
nope. Alright. Alright.
how much money?
Yeah. Alright.
500.
So instead of minding the orange stuff, you want to mind the gold stuff.
Yeah. We have to go deep in though to get the gold
Yeah.
ones.
Yeah, the gold is deep in, but you could glitch to go and get to the gold one. Is it easier? Yeah, there's a glitch. I can show you guys the glitch.
Alright, let's go.
Guys, I'm gonna glitch into a deep part of the cave. You guys
Nope,
wanna come
it's
with me to...
It's okay,
Guys,
it's
should
okay.
we-
We can actually
go
work
on
for it.
like a call so we can actually hear each other better?
One sec, guys.
We could just use these
Should we?
things. And also, could someone give me a better crowbar?
Okay, I'll get you one.
Give me my backpack back, dude.
I'll use these as right here. Hold up. let me
I'm
just-
gonna just glitch out of the map, okay,
Use that one.
guys?
Thanks, bro.
So we're gonna pick up the gold ones and you're just gonna mine them.
Guys,
Where are you
who wants-
going?
Who wants to go the glitch way with me?
I will.
Okay, you need a rocket, so anybody else who's gonna
Do you
do
need
that.
one? Have you went
Yeah, you
there
need-
before?
You need one, because it's not far away like broccoli.
It's like just under us.
Preston. Make sure you don't die. 'Cause you always explode as Preston. But please do not. Just come down here. Oh, you need a rocket. You need a rocket.
Nice.
You need a rocket. Go get one.
I don't own those.
Oh,
Remember,
okay,
I'm
we'll
still
I'll get
new.
him a rocket real quick. He needs a rocket. Preston, can you buy him a rocket? Can you go?
No, it's okay. I'm just gonna watch you guys.
Don't come over here.
You can just watch us. And then when we come back up or something,
Where do we go to get it? Right there?
try to aim for the entrance to the...
We don't got
to
a
the-
flashlight. He
I
got
have a
the huge
flashlight.
one.
I have a flashlight in my holster. Look. So,
Could I have a
Yeah,
firework
I would say
now?
kind of aim for
Wait,
the
I know how to get down
entrance.
there. Me,
a
whoever gets there
flashlight.
first. Yep, right here.
I made it.
Nice, I did mining already. The items are down there. They dropped all the way down there. Okay, just gotta mine these. These not.
No, not my gold block.
Chat, all the stuff in here I got. I mined. Yo, those are my
These
ores.
ones worth a
These
lot.
are my ores. These are my ores.
Are these worth a lot?
Yes, give me. Now these are mine. Because I mined all these down here. You serious? Ooh, they are heavy.
Bro,
Ooh.
where is he?
Oh, there are my
Where
other
is
ores.
Fats?
I mean, no. I'm not gonna say that.
What
Ores.
happened to the flashlight? It just turned around.
Okay. Come here, flashlight.
Where is he? Come one up. Come one up.
Come one up. Come one up.
Get away. I don't like you. I do not like you. I do not like you.
What? How's it here?
Move! I died already. It took all my stuff. How the heck are you here? Man, it killed me. Why did no one tell me that we were in a car? Literally asked if you guys were in the mines yet. Ooh, 2 things. That thing hates light. That's why it killed us. It saw the light and I was like, heck no, I don't like that. And then just came after me. Come on. I went back down there. I got killed again, so I could see in the dark though, and I remember the path, so just follow me. That's it for the video.